Welcome to Anyone Can Cook channel. As part of our first day video, I'm gonna show you honey crispy chicken. So for this I am gonna take 250 grams of chicken. Add salt as it required. So when it comes to the salt, I always sprinkle it using hand. I'll not be giving any measurements for salt. And when you use sprinkle using the hand, it will be spread all over the food and you don't need to check for the salt again and again. Add garam masala powder. I prefer adding more because it gives a lot of a taste. Well, it depends upon your taste. Add coriander powder, chili powder. If you prefer more spiciness, add 1 more tablespoon of chili powder, or else 1 tablespoon of chili powder would be sufficient for this. Add 1 egg. For 250 grams of chicken, 1 egg will be sufficient. If you are taking more chicken, like 500 grams of chicken, then you are required to add 1 more egg. So basically it depends upon the quantity of your chicken. Add corn flour. Corn flour gives you the nice coating to the chicken. And if your batter is liquidy, add more corn flour, and it is also used for thickening the batter. Our batter is ready. If your batter is liquidy, add more corn flour and adjust the consistency. Heat the oil for deep fry, and the oil should be piping hot. If not, the chicken will absorb oil and it won't taste good. Now the oil is hot. Before you put the chicken into the oil, mix gently well so that all the spices will be mixed again. Put the chicken into the oil and be careful. Chicken takes 4 to 5 minutes for deep fry. In the middle, just stir it over so that it will be fried all over evenly. Chicken is cooked well. You can see the nice crispy chicken layers. If the batter is not thick, chicken will absorb lot of oil. So that's why you need to adjust the corn flour to make the batter thick. And you can see there is no oil on the chicken because our batter is perfectly fine. And it's well cooked too. Now next move on to the next process. So for this you have to take a medium sized onion and a chopped garlic. Take kadai for the next process. It can be non-stick or any kadai, whatever is available for you. Pour the oil. You don't need to add much oil because it's required only for deep frying the onions, because we have already fried the chicken. Spread the oil gently all over the pan. Now add the chopped garlic and fry it for 10 to 20 seconds just to get rid of the garlic smell. It should not be burnt, and cook it on a low flame or medium to low flame. Now add the onions and fry them until you get a nice golden brown color. As you can see, onions are fried. Add salt for the onions. You don't need to add much salt, just add the salt which is required only for the onions, because we are going to add soya sauce which also contains the salt, and our chicken already contains salt, so we don't need to add more salt to this. Now add soya sauce. Just stir it until it is mixed well with the onions. And as part of the next step, add red chili sauce. So I'm not going to give any measurements, just add it according to your taste and the quantity which you are used for the chicken. Then stir it nicely. Add tomato sauce to this mixture just to give the tangy taste. Don't add too much of tomato sauce, it will be sweet. Now stir it well. Let all the sauces mix well with the onions and just stir it well for 1 to 2 minutes on a low flame until it releases the oil. I think now it is fried well, and to this add the chicken which we have already fried and mix it well so that all the sauces should be coated well to the chicken which was already fried. I think the sauces are mixed well to the chicken. To this mixture add honey. Don't add too much of honey. Either you can add honey to the sauces, or else after mixing the chicken with the sauce you can pour it on top of the chicken. Mix well. I can see the honey glazed chicken. It's yummy and beautiful, right, to look at that? Just fry it for 1 or 2 minutes. That's it. Our honey crispy chicken is ready. Now it's ready. Just garnish it with the white sesame seeds, and that's it. You are good to go. Our beautifully cooked honey glazed chicken is ready, and which is very soft and delicious too. And it's yummy.